What's going on, everybody? I'm Honda Pro Jason, and behind me is a Honda CRV, and I'll bet you've never seen one like this before. What makes this second generation Honda CRV so unique? Well, from the outside, it looks exactly like every other CRV, but it's what's inside that's gonna blow you away. What makes this so unique is it actually has 10 passenger seating. Yeah, you heard it right. This Honda CRV has 10 passenger seating. Ready? Watch. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and me, the driver, that's 10. And if you're curious about the seatbelts, there's a seatbelt for the driver, the middle, and the passenger up front. 4 seatbelts in the second. 1, 2, 3, 4. The third row does hold 3 people, but there are no seatbelts back there. I told you guys you would never ever see this before. It is from the factory, from Honda. It is a 10 passenger CRV. The reason it's 10 passengers is that they want to qualify for the AUV, which is a special qualification. You had to have many people. It's for a larger family or small business. And this is only available in the Philippines and only for a few years. The one we're in right now is a 2003, and they only did them from 2002 to 2005. You would never expect to see that from the outside. Completely crazy, right? I told you guys you've never seen anything like this before. As always, guys, this time from the Philippines, I'm the Honda Pro, and now you're in the know. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.